What is up guys and girls? This is your boy Agent Ryan. At ako ay nandito sa kabundukan ng Adams, Ilocos Norte. Isang town ng Ilocos Norte. So, nila ko man?
No po sir, mangingalap ako.
May buko kasi doon nagbebenta. So, wala. We're on our way dun sa sa falls, yung isa sa pinakasikat na falls dito sa Ilocos Norte. Gawa nung maganda at malamig nitong tubig. Pero makikita namin yun mamaya, syempre, kasi nga tagal-tagal na ding panahon na hindi ko nakita yon. Siguro mga 3-4 years ago nung huli kong nakita yon, and gusto ko ulit makita, kaya nandito kami ngayon. Nakakahingal. Road to ano na to? Road to pagpapapayat.
Wala nang chance.
I'm with the gang again, with Victor Polycule Speed. Meet my new friends.
Hi!
Ayan, kasama namin ang aming tour guide na si Robert. At mga ilang hours bago tayo makarating ng Plig Falls.
12 hours.
12 hours? Joke lang yan eh.
12 hours.
12 hours?
45 hours, sir. Joke lang yun, sir.
Visit. Ayoko na tumuloy. Hindi, seryoso, mga ilang hours? Mga ilang hours?
45
45
hours.
hours. 45 minutes. 45 minutes bago kayo makakarating ng ng falls. Sana budol yung tour guide namin eh. Ito. Isa din sikat din yung Adams sa mga hanging bridges nila. Madaming ganito dito. Ayan. Maganda sa mga dinadaanan namin. Ang dami mo nakikita. May mga taniman ng saging. May mga bundok. May mga unggoy. Wow, tawang-tawa siya dyan. Tawang-tawa. Well, anyway, malayo pa. Pagod na. Di ko alam kung ano na naman nakain ko. At napasok ko tong sabagay, sulit-sulitin ko na kasi walang ganito sa walang ganito sa Saudi. Update guys, malayo pa kami. Nabawasan na ako ng 5 kilos dahil sa sobrang pagod. Pero okay lang kasi worth it naman. Tingnan nyo naman yung view. Diba? Pero malayo pa kami sa katotohanan. Kaya wala lang. Diyan lang kayo. Dito lang din kami. Lord, kailan ba matatapos itong o si ate magsha-shopping lang oh. Shoutout naman sa bag mo te. Oh. Hindi ka ba na-inform na mag-hiking tayo? Nandito na kami guys. Kasi nakita na namin yung palaki basta this way ano plig. Lohi-lohi. Lapit na kami sa katotohanan. Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Bata yung kapon.
Nandito na kami. Nandito na kami. After 45 minutes, nandito na rin kami. And it's so worth it kasi ang ganda ng view. Tapos, ayan ako. Nakaka-inviting siya maligo. Abang-abang na lang kasi mamaya magliligo din kami. Medyo nagpapahinga lang kami ngayon kasi nga hiningal-hingal. Gusto 1 kilo ata lang yung nabawas sa akin kakagala. But it's okay kasi lahat naman ng pinagpapaguran may ano yun, may reward. Kaya ayan, that's the reward.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna...
We're leaving in Uplig Falls and we're going to the next destination. Grabe yung pagod ko dyan. Parang nag-enjoy ako mag-swimming kasi malamig yung tubig. Pero ito, paguran na naman sa pabalik. Kasi akyat na naman, bababa. Sana worth it yung next destination. Tiyak ko na. Shoutout Joward Aquino, nasan ka? Kanina pa kita hinahanap, Joward. Ano na, Mami Chef? Saan kayo? Cynthia, lumabas kayo sa ano, Lungganyo. Bala kayo dyan. Dyan sa part na yan, may parang kalsada dyan. Sabi ng tour guide, ano daw, daan yan, kumukonekta sa Kalanasan na Payaw. So, ngayon ka lang na-realize, gumagawa talaga sila ng daan para may ano, dyan sa may mga gilid-gilid ng bundok. Diba? Doon kami banda galing. Okay, tuloy sa paglalakad.